Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful exponential equation, and it shows that if x raised to the power of the square root of x equals 3 raised to the power of 6, find the value of x. Okay, now first of all, the left hand side here can be rewritten as x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, then giving us what 3 raised to the power of what 6. Take note that if you have the square root of x is something as saying x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, the best approach to handle this, especially the left hand side. Now, since the exponent here, since we have 1 over 2 as one of the exponents here, the best approach is to raise both sides by the same exponent. Now, this will help us, the left hand side, have an exponent in form of this term, a raised to the power of a. Okay, so here x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over 2, all raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then if you give us what 3, equals to 3 raised to the power of 6, all raised to the power of 1 over what 2. Now why am I doing this? I will be able to achieve an exponent in this form by the base and the exponent are the same. Then I can then work on the right hand side to conform with the left hand side. Now also recall that if you have a raised to the power of b or raised to the power of what c, now this can be a raised to the power of bc and can also be a raised to the power of c or raised to the power of what b. So now looking at this, okay, it is the same thing as saying x, which is a. Then this time x raised to the power of half is the same thing as what b. Then our half here is what c, which means I can actually swap it, okay, to become a. Then this half will come inside. Then this x raised to the power of half will move outside. So we end up having x raised to the power of 1 over 2, or raised to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over 2, then equals, now by this we can multiply these two terms, giving us 6 times 1 over 2. I'm sure this will give us what 3. So giving us what 3 raised to the power of what 3. Now you can see I've achieved what I'm actually looking for, whereby the exponent here in comparison will look alike as that of the right hand side. Okay, all right. So by this now, by comparison, we can say that x raised to the power of 1 over 2 will give us what 3. Okay, so to this end now, all we just need to do here now is to raise both sides of the equation by 2. So I will undo this what half. So this raised to the power of 2, this raised to the power of 2. Okay, by this law we will multiply, and half multiplied by 2 will give us what 1. So here we have that x equals to what 3 raised to the power of 2 give us what 9. So that is the value of x that satisfies this equation. And if you look at it, this is 9. If you put 9 here, then the square root of 9 will give us what 3. Then giving us what 3 raised to the power of what 6. You can actually reduce this to a base of 3. So here you have 3 raised to the power of 2, or raised to the power of what 3 equals what 3 raised to the power of what 6. Now giving us what 3 raised to the power of 6 equals to 3 raised to the power of what 6. Alright, if you love what I've just done, ensure that you share these videos with others, and don't forget to like and share this page with others. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.